Today I'm working on this 2018 Subaru Impreza. This will be the same for 2017 up to 2023. And what I'm doing is the sun visor replacement. So as we get in here, this guy has broken. There's no replacement part for it, so you just have to replace the whole thing. So we're gonna start off by removing this cap. If you have a small screwdriver like this that flips to Phillips head as well as flathead, that is the best tool that I've found. So I tried this a couple different ways. You can pry from here, but when you're using a flathead screwdriver, just be careful, you can scratch your headliner. What I've found is going from this corner and prying there was the best way without damaging the headliner. So that guy is off. You might put a nick on this guy, just heads up. You can try to use one of these, but I was having a hard time getting into there. This is a trim tool, by the way. Then we're going to swap our screwdriver to Phillips because we have two Phillips head screws right here. So I'm going to pop these guys out. Here's the second one you're going to pop out, and this won't fall out. There's a little safety clip in there. So this is the new sun visor, and what I'm showing you here is there's a flat side on here and a little clip on here. So what you have to do is push this way, push over and down to unclip that. So I'm going to put some pressure on this way and it comes out. So push over and down and it pops right out. Now if you have one that has a light inside of the vanity mirror here, then you'll have to disconnect that one. This one doesn't have that, but that's just a simple little clip that you depress a tab on. And now we are going to throw our new mirror in. Make sure you get the right side. Also, I had to get this straight from Subaru. They do not have this on Amazon. If that comes available, I will put a link in the description. But this guy slips in here into place, and I'll clip it there, and we'll get our first screw in. Boom, that goes there. I would not recommend using a drill because if you strip this out, this is part of the frame of the vehicle, so that would be not good. So I would just use a hand tool, go slow, go easy. Now we're going to throw our second screw in. So this should go in pretty easy. If it gets really tight and stiff, pull the screw back out and try again. You shouldn't have to crank on this, and you'll feel when it hits the frame, and then I'll go like quarter or an eighth turn. That's plenty. Then we're going to take this little cover and we're going to just snap that back into place, and now we are all done with our sun visor replacement. If this was helpful, leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time.